Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Stitch Fix. Yes, it's a Stitch Fix day. I'm really glad that you have joined me today. If you are popping in for the first time, I really want to welcome you. I sure hope that you will consider subscribing and joining me for future videos. To my returning subscribers, you guys rock. I love you. Thank you all for joining me for another Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix is a style subscription company and I love it. This is the granddaddy of all style boxes. My closet is filled with Stitch Fix clothes. They offer a very nice product at a reasonable price point. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, or if you just want more information, I have left everything you need to know in the information box below, as well as my referral link. If you use my referral link, you will get $25 credit towards your first box, and in return, Stitch Fix offers me some credit as well, and I want to thank everyone. Everyone that has used my link, you guys sponsor this channel and make it so much easier for the Kelly Shaffner channel to actually operate. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank you very much. Okay, let's get into the clothes. All right, here is my box. This is what it looks like, and everything I need to know about trying everything on, returning, checking out is right here, printed on the box, very easy. I also have a return mailer. I can return anything that doesn't work for me. I have an envelope with prices and a note from my stylist as well as styling suggestions. I have jewelry. The jewelry always comes packaged very nicely. Earlier this year, I asked all of my stylists for a jewelry refresh, and I'm kind of good with jewelry right now. So this is going to have to be very special for me to keep it. Okay, here is the reveal. This is my bundle. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we have denim, which again, the denim have to be really special for me to keep any denim. I like the colors in this one. Let's start with the jewelry. The jewelry is the Marilyn Schiff Risa Clover drop earrings in gold. I have some Marilyn Schiff earrings. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay. These are very similar to the Marilyn Schiff earrings that I already own. These are much, much larger and they are in a gold tone. Okay, these are kind of special. A lot of you didn't like the coral ones that I purchased, but I wear them all the time because I am wearing a lot of coral as the spring comes on, but I like the gold tone because they're even more versatile. Okay, the first thing we have is by Fun to Fun. This is the Astute Eye Detail top. Okay, do you see the tie right there at the neckline? I normally don't like that. It looks like it has smocking as well. Yeah, it has smocking around the neckline. Let's see what the sleeve looks like. There's also elastic on the sleeve. It looks to be a 3/4 length sleeve. This is navy. Yeah, it's navy and floral. And this does have a rounded hemline. This feels like a rayon blouse. I'm just gonna tell you right now. It looks like rayon, it's super wrinkled. I like the colors. I think it looks so dark though. Okay, this is one I have to try on to see if I like it. This one I already like because it's red. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, guys, this is a West Key blouse. This is a blouse I think I have in black and white. And I tried a West Key front tie top before. I absolutely love it. I get a lot of use out of this. Let's see what this one is called. This is the Giuliana Dolman sleeve blouse in red. Dolman, huh? Doesn't really look Dolman. We'll see how it looks on. But yeah, it does have a bit of a rounded hemline. It has, what's the neckline? A bit of a rounded crew neck. And there are cuffs at the sleeve. Cross your fingers. I like this one. Okay, my stylist did get the colors right. This is what this blouse looks like. Oh my goodness. This has got the ties on the sleeve. I don't know how I feel about that. I have not tried one on. I don't really like how they look on other people. That's why I haven't purchased any for myself, but I'm opening my mind. I'm going to try this. This has a rounded neckline. It has a zipper detail in the back. This is a polyester blouse. It is a high-low. Okay, who are you? Paper Moon Larry tie sleeve blouse in yellow. Okay? Okay. And the last piece is the denim. And these are by Warp and Weft. Okay, I have never tried this brand. I've always wanted to try this brand. Weft. Have any of you tried Warp and Weft? And if you have, please let me know what you think about these denim. This company is made in the USA, so I want to get behind that. But they also have a mission to fit perfectly each and every woman out there. I love that mission because all of us know that jeans can be difficult. Now, these are a girlfriend jean. They're the LAX Los Angeles girlfriend denim. They are in a lighter, like a medium wash. They do have a cuff on the bottom. Let's see, that is not sewn in, but that is, I guess, the suggested way to wear them. I think these are going to be pricey, but I'm excited to try them Back on. With my final thoughts, I'm just looking over my style cards and my stylist notes. She wrote me such a thoughtful note, even referencing the town that I live in. Very, very great styling tips. I want to show you this card. Look at this top paired with a striped cardigan or maybe even a striped blazer, and also this top paired with mustard denim. What do you think? I love when they give styling tips that I might not otherwise think of on my own, just like the mustard denim, which you guys know I recently purchased mustard denim, and I like the idea of pairing the navy top, the navy floral top, with the mustard denim. Okay, since I brought it up, let's talk about the Fun to Fun top. This is the Astute Eye Detail top. This is the least expensive thing in the entire fix. Well, the clothing. This is $42. I kind of like the print on this. As I suspected, this is 100% rayon. And let me tell you the difficulty I have with rayon. People say that it shrinks. I really haven't had problems with shrinking. What I have issue with is the wrinkles. I could steam this blouse and make it look beautiful, but when you put it on before you leave the house, it starts to wrinkle. I bet that the wrinkling might be camouflaged in this very busy print, but you cannot camouflage that neckline, and the neckline is uncomfortable. I am not a tie at the neck type of girl. I would leave this untied, but this smocking at the top is not comfortable. I don't mind the sleeves. I do like the length. I think the print is actually very pretty, and I think this would pair very nicely with my mustard denim. I'm not crazy about it. That means I should send it back, right? Tell me I should send it back. I am doing my best to be very, very selective about what I keep, and this one is not perfect, even though it's a beautiful print. What do you think about this one? What do you think? I think about this one. This is my favorite, yes. Red is my favorite color, so I'm always looking to add red pieces to my closet. I really enjoy my tie front top by West Key that I already own, and I think this is going to be just as nice. It's only $44. I think that's a great price. This is a polyester blouse. It did have issues when I raised my arms all the way up, but if I'm very careful and just raise an arm, I think it looked okay. I'm trying to make reasons to buy this. I don't need any reasons to buy this. I think I'm just going to purchase this. My stylist did ask me to pair this with the Warp and Weft denim and a pair of espadrilles, and I think it worked pretty good. In fact, I didn't want to take it off. I was ready to go out to lunch in that outfit. I don't know. Yeah, this one's a keeper. Next up is the Paper Moon top. Surprise, surprise. I love this top. I have to eat crow. That is why I use style boxes, to get professional help from stylists that try to pick pieces that work for me, and I felt wonderful when I put this top on. I do like the fresh yellow color. It feels very springtime, and the tie sleeve, I did not mind at all. In fact, I think it's kind of cute. I don't know why I was so opposed to tie sleeves, but I think this one is well done. That zipper detail in the back is also nicely done. I like the length on this one. I just love this top. It's $44, and $44 for a feel-good top is a small price to pay. The last clothing item are the Warp and Weft denim. These are the Jenny straight leg girlfriend style jeans. These are $98. These do feel very much like a premium denim. I'm impressed with the way they feel. They're really super soft. They're predominantly cotton. I think they're 94% cotton and the rest is polyester. You can see there's a lot of stretch in them. I wore them for the entire try on and I could feel them loosening up in just that short time that I wore them. I do have concerns about how much more they're going to stretch out in the next hour, in the next 6 hours, throughout the day. They're a girlfriend style, so they're meant to be worn relaxed. They're also more of a mid-rise, which I'm not used to. I kept wanting to tug them up higher. I would really like to buy a pair of Warp and Weft denim. I like that these are a lighter wash. I also feel like these are a good fit. They might be worth the $98. I will wait until I hear your thoughts before I pull the trigger on these expensive denim, but I do really like them. The last item in my fix are the earrings. These are the Marilyn Schiff Risa Clover drop earrings. I think they're beautiful, but truthfully, I don't know if they're worth $28. I paid $28 for my last Marilyn Schiff earrings. They were a tiny bit smaller, but they also had beadwork in them. And these are so very simple. They're lovely, but they're $28. And I feel like I could pick something similar up for less than $28. But okay, now we'll do the Stitch Fix math. And because if I keep both blouses that I like, this is $88 for these two pieces, add the denim for $98, I'm at $186. And for $192, I can keep everything. So if I think about a rayon blouse and the Marilyn Schiff earrings for only $6, I mean, that is so much more palatable. Let me know what you think I should do. Are there any pieces that you especially like or especially think I need to send back? Leave it in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing your feedback. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next video. Blessings to you.